Here's a 2016 Mazda CX-5. A compact SUV you can be proud of, this CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. It comes with features you need, and better yet, want. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice activation, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.